Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Windows edition and whether Outlook 2007 is 32 or 64-bit. That determines compatible installers. Once done, back up your PSD or OSD and jot account details so you can restore mail if needed. Make sure you have at least 5 GB free and a stable internet connection. Now, open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, and uninstall Office 2007 if you plan a clean install. Otherwise, you run the new Office installer as administrator to avoid permission errors. This ensures all components update correctly. During setup, select Customize only if you need to preserve other apps, otherwise use Typical Install for simplicity. The installer will migrate some settings, but not all old add-ins. Disable incompatible add-ins later. When prompted, enter your product key or sign into your Microsoft account to activate. Once the core files finish installing, restart your computer to let Windows finalize driver and registry change. You open Outlook and add your mail profile or import the backed up PSD file so your folders and messages appear. Once configured, go to File, Office Account, and check for updates to install security patches and compatibility fixes. If Outlook won't start, run a repair from Programs and Features and then restart. This fixes corrupted files and registry entries. If you still see add-in errors, disable them in File, Options, Add-ins, and enable one at a time to identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.